I was standing at a shrimp farm overlooking a pond and just thinking about all the things I'd heard over a few days. But the big thing I'd heard is every 3 to 5 years the industry is decimated by disease. It's a new disease, you know, so you had white feces, white spot, you have EMS, you have mini vibrios, and these things can be devastating to an industry within a country or even globally. Even if I were the farmer and I used the best farming practices, I'm still at the mercy to some degree of my neighbors in not using good farming practice. I'm at mercy of the weather, the birds, and I'm thinking this is a simple animal with very little, if any, immune response. No wonder they have challenges with disease. Potentially there's something we could do with nutrition to reduce stress on the animal, because in a lower stress environment where you're better utilizing the nutrition that you're given, you're less susceptible to disease. So could we minimize occurrence? We ended up with a fermentation-based product that we're calling Motiv for the shrimp industry specifically. And really, it brings a host of benefits to the animal.
It's a bioactive protein. It can, through the fermentation process of the MBD75, we have the Motiv product. With the fermentation process, we can have more organic acid like the lactic acid. We can have more shorter peptide, and we can also have the bioavailable of mineral. So it can help to get better absorption in terms of the nutrient, in terms of the energy, and also with the lactic acid in the product created through the fermentation, that can also lower the pH in the gut and favorable for the beneficial bacteria in the gut. So we go the concept like better gut, better health, better performance.
Yeah, so Motiv was designed to lower the pH in the gut of the shrimp. And by lowering the pH in the gut of the shrimp, we're able to help facilitate a healthier environment. You're further away from the pH range that the bad microbes want to thrive in. And by lowering that pH, you're enabling a healthier microbe population in the gut. And with the other components that come with that fermentation solution, you're facilitating a larger microbe population, you're at a better pH for enzyme activity, and which enables the Motiv product to increase the nutrient utilization for the entire diet, not just our ingredient. You actually get a positive energy response that's higher than the energy you feed from our ingredient, because you utilize more of the entire diet. That energy response results in faster growth with less feed and lower mortalities and disease susceptibility in high stress environments.
We need to create products that the customers don't believe that they exist. And Motiv follow exactly this thought process, okay? We identify a niche, an opportunity, okay, in something that can help with the health of the animal, but also is not gonna be just health. It's gonna be also some nutrition, some protein, like Imperial, and as well, some other benefits like the enhancer of the color of the shrimp.
The added benefit is this uptake of nutrient is also allowing the shrimp to express more color. And that color is maybe not a driver for nutrition and cost, but it certainly is a driver in the marketplace for value and premiums people place on the product that you're selling.